complement system. Complement is a group of 20 plasma protein that form essential part in the innate immunity. The word complement is used to enhance or complement our immunity. This protein mainly synthesized in liver and widely distributed among body tissue and fluid. Complement system affect only when it was activated. That time only it have effective. Out of 20 protein, 11 protein are mostly involved. Namely B protein, C1 to C9 protein and D protein. These protein molecules are enzyme precursor. They catalyze series of enzymatic reaction. They form final product of complement system and they have various immune effect also. How that complement system will activate? By three way: antigen antibody reaction, example classical pathway. Second one is bacterial enterotoxin, example alternative pathway. Third one is lactin pathway, mannose binding protein. First one is classical pathway. Here interaction between antigen and antibody involved. This reaction will activate C1 component of complement system. Okay, now C1 component, we know the order: C1, again C4, then C2, C3, C5 up to C9. C1 next, not C2, C4. This one is the complement system order. So here it will activate first C1 component. This C1 component then directly activate C4 component. This C4 component have two component, sub-component 4A and C4B. This C1 will combine to C1b, so it will form C1b complex. This C4b will activate C2. This C2 having two components, C2a and C2b. Now this C2a will combine to C1b, so it will form C1b2a. This is called C3 convertase. Now this C3 component then split into C3a and C3b. Now this C3b combine to C14b2a, so it will form C1b2a 3b. This name is called as C5 convertase. Again this C5 component split into two groups, C5a and C5b. This one is the larger product. It will combine to C6, C7, C8 and C9. So it will form C5b 6, 7, 8, 9, which is membrane attack complex. This complex name is called as membrane attack complex. Here this C5a, 3a and 4a. No work here, but it will involving mast cell activation for hypersensitivity reaction. Then second pathway, alternative pathway. This one mainly triggered by bacterial enterotoxin. Gram-negative bacterial cell wall having lipopolysaccharide component. Not only gram-negative bacteria, other factors. Example, yeast cell wall and cobra venom factor also involving alternative pathway. First step, spontaneous hydrolysis of factor F3. This F3 presented in blood plasma. That classical pathway C1 component, alternative pathway C3 component. The C3 component hydrolyze, then the factor C3b will allow to bind factor B. Again one more factor involving factor D. This one is split this B factor into BA and BB. Now this BB component will bind to factor C3b, so it will form factor C3b and BB. So it acts as a C3 convertase. After that it will form that C5 convertase like classical pathway. We will refer that one also. Then third pathway, lactin mannose pathway. This one depending on the protein known as mannose binding lactin protein. This one is synthesized by liver. Organisms like Neisseria, Candida, Salmonella have glucose and mannose residue in the cell wall. Whenever this organism enter to human body, these protein molecules bind lactin and activate protease called MASP, mannose binding lactin associated serine protease component. This MASP which bind to MPL, mannose binding lactin, it will trigger that C4 and C2 component. Classical pathway C1 component will activate, then alternative pathway C3 component. This third lactin mannose pathway will activate C4 and C2 component. Again this C4 having subcomponent 4A and 4B, like that C2 having C2A, C2B. Now C4B will combine to C2A. It acts as a C3 convertase. Then up to C5 we will refer that classical pathway. Then immune effect of complement product. First one is opsonization. Factor C3b activate neutrophil and macrophages is known as phagocytosis. That means envelopment of microorganism. Second one is cell lysis. Membrane attack complex that C5b6789 ruptured that bacterial cell wall. So it will destroy large amount of bacterial load. Then chemotaxis. Factor C5a attract neutrophil and macrophages. So those area where antigen is presented. Then activation of mast cell. Factor C, we already saw that one. Factor C3a, 4a, 5a have direct effect activation of mast cell and basophil. They release large amount of mediator of inflammation like histamine and serotonin, which is potential of immune system.